Hello everyone, I'm Xie Yixuan. My instructor is Stanley. Today I want to talk about aircraft cemetery story. Have you ever pondered where did all planet was independent after replacement of old ones? Planes are not vehicles that use large amounts of metal to create a climate that is not afraid of mystery and sound. The most common place to have such an environment are in the deserts of California or Arizona. There are two aircraft cemeteries in the Mojave Desert, while in Arizona there is an aircraft cemetery that specializes in the placement of military aircraft. Their light forgotten eastwards quietly sailed here. The park is like a cemetery of aircraft. Was also called the aircraft cemetery. In fact, the plane coming here will be divided into 4 levels. The best is to be raised as heavy flight. Status can be 300 or $4 million to sell the new pilot. The worst is to be sentenced to die. Transformers 2 had been here for the real fighter. If you remember that called Skyfire Decepticons, which is by the SR-71 Blackbird, reconnaissance aircraft from many sites in the field are also taken near the aircraft cemetery. This picture is sailing in the United States Southern California Mojave Desert in the China Airlines Boeing 747 ultra-wide cargo plane. Thank you for your listen.
Created using Powtoon.